Friends, so in last video I explained you how to declare a array with initialization. Okay, so today we'll try to explain how to declare a array and how to pass a value after declaration the array by the index manner. Okay, so just suppose I declare a array int, okay, and arr, and I initialize with new keyword, okay, new, and I have 5 element. Okay, you can pass any number of elements. Now I can pass arr. It's a hard code value, but only for practice I just passing this value. 0 index, copy paste. Okay, so I think you know index always start by 0 because 0 is a very smallest positive number and index always in positive integer number. Okay, 2, 3 and 4. You can change value, it depend on you what you want. 5, 1, 2. Okay, so it's only a declaration and initialization. It's a initialization, and after that I pass the value by the index method, by the index manner. So now I try to print. So if I want to print all the values in the same time, so I have to declare a variable int any number of any name 0, and the value will goes to 5 less than 5, so it means 0 to 4 I am into the 5 numbers of element. Okay, now system dot out system system dot out dot print or print ln. Okay, now arr and I. Okay, fine. It's a simple small code. I just declare a array with new keyword, and after that I pass the value on the index manner, and then the loop is already explained you. Okay, so just run it. Any problem? No, not any problem. Okay, so 12, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so I will explain in the next video how to get a value by the user at a runtime. Okay, so just watch next video and follow this banner. Okay, if you will click bell icon or subscribe it, then you will get a latest video always. Okay, thank you.